Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today we are trading with the FlowPro bot, the futures version of this bot that's just been released, and you can now trade futures with it. Previously it was just for crypto, but now it operates in the futures market. So we've got shorts activated because we are in a downtrend. The delta is very bearish, the price is very bearish. And if you guys know my trading style by now, I like to trade with that trend and get in on the downtrend or the uptrend. And alongside the bot, I'm using a couple of indicators to help me with my analysis, just to help me make my trading decisions and when to deactivate the bot or when to switch the direction of the bot. But right now, just activating the shorts for now. We've got our delta surge indicator added, we've got CVD added, we've got trap traders added, and these will just help me get a perspective on the market, where price is potentially going. Delta surge is telling me where there's consecutive bars with, significant increases or decreases in delta. And our most recent delta surge signal there, you can see, is a red signal telling us that the delta has been significantly decreasing over the last couple of bars. So this is in line with what direction I want to trade in. This just reinforces my confidence that price is actually going down. And you can see the delta's going down, the price is moving down. We've got bearish signals, so this is all confluence analysis telling me that price is indeed going to keep dropping, and that's what we want to see, right? So yeah guys, this is a brand new version of this bot. It's the exact same algorithm as the crypto bot. The actual code logic and the calculation methods are the exact same, but here we go. Look at this, guys. We got a lot of market selling going on, a lot of volume pumping in. When you see a candle like this, you just know that there is selling pressure.
Order placed.
Okay guys, there we go. There was selling pressure indeed. We got filled into a short position with the FlowPro bot. So here we go guys, our first trade on NQ. We're trading futures, and if you're not familiar with this bot, again, it uses order flow, it uses footprint chart data to identify where a lot of buying or selling pressure is kind of surging into the market, giving you an insight into which direction the price is going next. And very powerful tool guys. Order flow is very, very powerful. It's like an x-ray into the candles. You get to see where people are buying and selling.
Order cancelled.
There we go, we hit our take profit level, and that's our first trade of the day, and it's a win. We're going to take that. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I know a lot of people emailed us interested in a futures bot, because especially order flow, there's a big community of futures traders in order flow, and from my experience, it's primarily used in futures trading. It's not that popular in crypto, but in futures trading, order flow is very popular. So we had to respond to those requests, and we had to make this functional for that market. So in terms of like win rate and accuracy, from my experience and from the back testing I've done, it looks very good. If not better than the crypto market. The FlowPro bot has worked quite well in this market for me so far, and we'll see in this session if we do well. But from what I've seen so far guys, it's been quite good. So I don't doubt for a second that this is going to be a good algorithm for this market, for NQ traders, or if you trade micro contracts, you can trade those as well. So it's totally up to you guys. So we've got one win, we'll keep it going here. Now what we're looking for here is a little bit of a pullback, and it looks like we are pulling back a little bit. We got trapped seller signal. So this is telling us that there's a lot of selling at that level there when price actually went up, essentially trapping those sellers. So this is a bullish signal, and we want to see price kind of pull back to the upside here a little bit before we go short again, because that's just the way I like to trade. I love trading the downtrend or the uptrend, especially on the pullback levels when price is pulling back, and that's when people are getting ready to go sell the asset again, right? So right here, price has pulled back a little bit, and it looks like it's still going up, and the delta is positive, but the delta is not making higher highs and the price is not making higher highs. So to me, we're still in a strong downtrend, and we're going to keep going here. Hopefully get filled into a short quite soon. But we did just get a negative delta surge signal telling us that the delta is showing weakness. You know, it's not showing that this is going to be a reversal point. And look at this, we're getting some negative delta coming in and some selling action. So we didn't get filled there, so the bot did not detect enough selling pressure for this to be a short signal. So we're just going to be patient. This is a good price level for me to enter, in my opinion. The price has pulled back. What I want to see now is the CVD decreasing. I really want to see delta decreasing. I would like to see trapped buyers. I would like to see negative delta surge signals. And of course, I want to get filled into a sell position by the trading algorithm, you know. So here we go. Here's a really significant drop in delta. So this looks quite bearish. We get filled. There we go. So the bot has now detected more selling pressure and significant selling pressure. Now we broke those lows and it looks like we might win this trade.
Order cancelled.
Let's go. Okay, another win. 2 wins in a row in the futures market using the FlowPro bot. Perfect. Good start. We're up to $685. So as you saw there, guys, again, the pullback occurred. We got negative delta surge signal telling us that the delta is decreasing. We get a lot of negative delta, and then we get a FlowPro bot selling signal that fills us into a selling position, and we're gonna get filled into another selling position. So another sell signal from the bot. So there's a lot of selling pressure in this candle, and it looks like price is just dumping now, which is what we want to see. So this is our third trade now. The volume looks like it's picking up. The delta is really negative. The price is just making new lows. I don't know. This is quite clear to me that this is going to keep going down. Until I see evidence of a pullback, I'm going to keep it on shorts. So right now, price just about almost hitting our stop loss, but we are still in it. So good stuff. Again, guys, we are approaching that extreme range of being oversold, and that's a tricky place to be because you don't want to go short at the very bottom because price is always making pullbacks. So, but this looks like it's going to win.
Order cancelled.
We do win. Let's go. Okay, 3 wins in a row. Another win. So I guess we're getting we're doing really well, guys. Getting good signals from the bot. We get filled into another trade. So the bot just keeps detecting the selling pressure, and the overall market sentiment is very, very bearish. Now we're very close to getting stopped out here. Again, we got filled short at an extreme low range, an extreme oversold range. So if we lose this one, it's kind of understandable. I should have probably deactivated the bot here, but we are not out of it. Okay, a lot of selling came in. A lot of selling came in again. We're still in this trade, guys. Delta surge signal as well, telling that the delta is significantly decreasing. So we almost got stopped out, but it looks like we might win this trade. Very close to that TP. Come on. So really good calls from the bot so far. All night. Delta is looking more and more bullish here. But there we go, another delta surge signal telling us that the delta is still decreasing. We got a little bit of a divergence. Okay. Very close to that take profit level. There we go.
Order cancelled.
Just wicks below it. Great stuff. Okay, another win, guys. So as you can see, still just as effective of a trading bot in the futures market as it is in the crypto market, if not better. You know, I've had a good experience with it so far, and I kind of apply my same trading strategy that I do in crypto to the futures market. It doesn't differ that much, and yeah, it's been working well, you know. So now ideally I'd like to see a pullback, right? This is where it would be good to see price kind of pull back to the upside a little bit, where we can re-enter into the downtrend once again. So we'll see what happens here. Okay, we've got price moving up now, delta moving up. Now notice, guys, how I don't activate longs at this point in time. Like, yes, we might be pulling back to the upside, but it's just so much riskier. You know, we're in a strong downtrend. There's really no point in trying to take longs in this position, unless there's a reversal, of course, but we can't know that for sure. So this is the pullback we're looking for. Here we go. We got trapped buyer signal. That's really important. So there's a lot of buying going on there. Price is going down. We got a negative delta surge signal telling us that the delta is decreasing. So these are all bearish signals that I'm looking for. And price, there we go, we get filled. So price did do a little bit of a pullback. I'm going to deactivate the bot here. This is going to be our last trade, guys. Hopefully we can win this one, but I'm pretty confident in this one. We've got multiple signals telling us that this is going to go down. And the bot has also detected enormous selling pressure that has filled us into a selling position. So I don't see us losing this one. So hopefully we can just dump through these lows here. So close to that take profit level. Come on.
Order cancelled.
There we go. Let's go, guys. Another win. The bot is deactivated. I'm happy with those profits. $1,700 US. So we took, how many trades that? We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, and we won all of them. So as you can see, guys, the bot is quite effective in the futures market. If you want to trade NQ or ES, you might find success like I just did. If you trade with the trend, you know, you enter in on the pullbacks, you use multiple tools of analysis to help you and guide you, give you perspective on the market and to see where price is going. So really successful session there, guys. If you want the bot yourselves, you can get access in the link below, ProfitProTrading.com. And again, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please support me, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.